Hi everyone, my name's Luke from Luke's Film Limited, and I thought I'd show you this demo world in virtual reality. This is all working and running on the Oculus Quest in mobile mode, not PC VR, so all of this is optimized to run effectively on an Android phone. So things that I've been putting into this recently, I've got some nice hand models here. The idea is to be able to change the color of these to make it more accessible to everybody. I've also created this amazing teleporter feature, which takes us into the main experience. So, this teleporter, when it goes through, the final intention is for it to fade the player to black and then fade back into the level. Right now, that does not work as I've not coded it yet. Okay, so I'm going to jump into the main experience. Let's go. And just like that, we're in the world. So this is where the main experience will happen. It is very much a test world at the moment as I create the features. Right, let's have a little walk around. So I'm using my left hand to move the player right now, my left thumb. Okay, so this is effectively what will be a plant. These boxes change every single time the game starts to represent a different plant in the game. As you can see, these are all random. And the idea is once a player interacts with this, a message will pop up, a audio descriptor, and you can also have a look, wander around it, because a presenter, somebody going through this experience with a group, can cast this to a TV screen. So if they want to show off plants or certain features in a world. So a lot more work needs to be done on the plants. They come in randomly, but they need to spawn randomly in random locations, which will be set once more of the actual world design is done. So as I look around, ooh, nice little bird. Um, I'm using a 360 image as the background for the world right now. This was just testing to remove the complicated mountains which are taking up a lot of memory and, well, not very optimized. So this is an AI landscape actually from Blockade Labs. Haven't paid for it because it's just a test, and it will need to be replaced with something from the Forest of Dean in the final experience. Okay, so let's have a look at this. This is a cheeky rock here. It's very, very basic, very low poly. I mean, I don't think there's more than 15 polys on either of any of those. Okay, so moving on to a few more details. I've been doing a lot of testing looking at trees and trying to find things that run well in virtual reality. As again, polygon counts are very, very important to keep low, and things that look super realistic often have like thousands of triangles, and we want few as possible to make this a nice experience. So, we have these trees. Yes, the shadows aren't right on it yet, so it will be more colorful in the final experience, but they're optimized in virtual reality. All of these guys here, they'll need some custom textures on the actual tree themselves. The leaves are okay for this kind of experience, but yeah, I think they look quite nice. And once things are starting to be popped together and actually built into a world for the final experience, I think this is all going to be quite lovely. So once again, I'd just like to say thank you very much for having listened, and hopefully I shall have some more development logs coming up soon. I've been Luke. Uh, please go like and subscribe to my channel, Luke's Film Limited, and